Good morning, everybody. Just trying to do a sunrise view. So we're at 75 feet right now. I'm gonna go up to about 100. Slowly pan around. There's downtown Orlando. Now let's see, I got a zoom function. Let's see. Whoa. Huh. Not very clear, but okay, I can zoom in. Okay, that's interesting. Cool. Back to one zoom. Facing east. Let's go up another 100. There's 200 feet, 207. There's 250, so I can see that look red. School. That's my old elementary school, actually. Yeah, not the best quality in 2K. Probably looks a lot better in 4. I was mistaken too. This is the G11 Mini. I think the Pro is the one that has the gimbal. I don't know if this one has a gimbal or not, but it feels like it does. I'm looking straight up at the drone. It's staying pretty steady too. It's like dead calm wind out. I'm gonna wait till the sun just starts peeking over, and then I'll come down. Drone battery is 73%. Come down lower. See if I can get these birds. sunlight was drowning out the video. 174. I'm down to about 150. Oh, birds are gone. I know some of you guys probably want me to fly the drone around, but it's not a good idea around here. A lot of tall trees and obstructions. I'm in my driveway. You gotta maintain line of sight with this. GPS is impressive though. 24 satellites. See if I can see that. Kind of points down when you try to go out to the horizon. Guess I just gotta go up higher. I think we'll go up to max height. Bugs chewing on the leg. It's 350. Dead mosquito. Yeah, I should have put bug spray on. It's a nice sunrise though. Drone's at 54%. Not too many clouds. Rainy. That's cool though. There's a zoom feature. Alright, well I'm being relentlessly chewed up by mosquitoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring her down and get some rest before I head to the lake. I have Dr. Jet's 2S challenge to do.